Let's take a look at what's in the box when you get an XDP fuel rail. The fuel rail is one of the main components that ties together a common rail fuel system. The high-pressure pump pressurizes fuel and then feeds it to the fuel rail or rails, depending on your engine configuration. Then, from the rail, it goes to the fuel injectors. Inside the box, you'll find an XDP fuel rail. Designed as a direct fit stock replacement, each rail is made for a bolt-on installation, and in many applications includes a new rail pressure sensor and fuel pressure relief valve where equipped. XDP fuel rails are available for a wide range of Dodge Ram, Ford, Chevy, and GMC diesel engines equipped with the common rail fuel system. If your fuel rail is damaged or contaminated, this fuel rail assembly will help restore proper fuel delivery to get your truck back on the road.